Hi guys, it's Rachel from RAVIN SEKAI Designs, and I'm here to show you how to wet block a finished item. I'm going to wet block a simple gauge swatch to show you the huge difference that blocking makes to your project. You'll especially want to block items that are lacy or textured to open up those fibers and show your project to its fullest potential. Take a look at these two swatches. This one has been blocked and this one hasn't. Can you see the difference? Blocking can open up the stitches, showing off the lace, and also fixing most shape issues caused by uneven tension. You'll need some supplies to wet block effectively. First off, you'll need some rust-proof pens. So you want to go for rust-proof pens because you don't want your project to get unsightly stains from the pens rusting on them. So make sure you get some that will not rust. You also need something to pin your project to. I suggest getting interlocking foam mats for your blocking. You can get these types of mats from many places. I got mine from the dollar store. If you don't have interlocking mats, that's okay, because you can use a flattened cardboard box with a towel over it that you can pin your project out to, or really anything that you can pin it out straight that will dry completely. Next, you'll want a wash of some sort to clean your project. While we knit, oils from your hands can get into your knitting, so you want to give that project a little wash. You can use anything that's gentle on your item. For example, you can use something like a wool wash or soak, which is a no rinse kind of detergent, or you can even use something that's like a gentle shampoo. Just a couple drops works. Finally, you'll need a bowl or a large basin that's big enough to submerge your whole project, and a large towel to squeeze out extra water. Let's get started. First, you'll want to fill your basin with lukewarm water. You don't want the water to be too warm because it can cause felting or color transfer from some yarns that have a little extra dye left in them. Go ahead and add your preferred detergent to the water. I'm just going to add a couple drops of shampoo. Fully submerge your project in the water so that all of the fabric is wet. Then let it soak for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, drain your water and gently rinse your garment if it's needed. Squeeze your excess water from your project. Be careful to squeeze the water and not to wring the fabric. You don't want to accidentally ruin your piece. Next, take your towel and sandwich your project between the layers and press the remainder of the water out. You can also roll the towel and press to get as much of that water out as you can. Then you're going to want to pin your item out to the measurements. You can use this time to give your item a little stretch just in case it needs that little extra to get to the measurements that you need. Now leave your item to dry completely. Make sure your project is 100% dry before unpinning it. You don't want to unpin the item while it's still wet because that will ruin all your hard work. Once it's dry, go ahead and unpin it. And that's it. Now you can wet block your new garments. See the difference? Thanks for joining me today. I hope this helps you finishing your next garment.